Little Learners Lounge.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn beautiful flowers. Let's go. Rose. Roses smell so sweet and come in red, pink and yellow. Sunflower. Sunflowers follow the sun. They are big and bright like the sun. Tulip. Tulips bloom in spring and come in many colors. So pretty. Daisy. Daisies have white petals and a yellow center. They look like little sun. Lily. Lilies smell wonderful and come in white, pink and orange. Marigold. Marigolds are golden yellow and bloom like little sun. Jasmine. Jasmine smells so sweet, especially at night. Lotus. Lotus flowers float on water and are very special in many cultures. Hibiscus. Hibiscus flowers are big, bright and loved by butterflies. Orchid. Orchids are fancy and come in many colors like pink and purple. Daffodil. Daffodils are yellow and look like tiny trumpets. Lavender. Lavender smells amazing and makes us feel calm. Poppy. Poppies are bright red and dance in the wind. Peony. Peonies are big and fluffy like flower clouds. Carnation. Carnations are roughly and come in many colors. Bluebell. Bluebells are tiny, blue and they grow in the woods. Morning Glory. Morning glories open in the morning and close at night. Petunia. Petunias look like little trumpets and love to bloom in gardens. Hydrangea. Hydrangeas change color based on the soil, blue, pink or purple. Iris. Irises look fancy and have soft curly petals.
Thanks for watching.